Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So, my dear students, today we will read a new poem, that is Wake Up. Let's read the poem. So, you have to listen carefully and repeat after me. See, wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees and you can hear the buzzing bees. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed. So hurry up, you sleepy head. Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks and the sheep. The tiniest chicken, cheep, cheep, cheep. Wake up. So students, the story is about wake up. In this poem, the poet is asking the children to wake up and enjoy the beautiful day. In this first stanza, wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees and you can hear the buzzing bees. So, in this stanza, the poet asking to the children to wake up early and enjoy the beautiful day, that they must get up and go out to play, to hear the what? Buzzing bees. Yes, and to hear the sound of birds chirping on the trees and bees buzzing in the garden that can be heard. Now see this, wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed. So hurry up, you sleepy head. Here again the poet is asking the lazy children to get up and go out to play. Here the poet tells us the importance of time is also shown, as the poet says that it is too late to sleep now. The sleepy children have to be punctual and must wake up now. Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks and the sheep, the tiniest chicken, cheep, 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 wake up. So the poet is asking the children to get ready for the day. Have breakfast as all the other creatures like cow, horses, ducks and sheep and tiny chicks are awake too. So here a similarity can be drawn between a little chicken and the rooster, whose crowing sound is considered to be natural alarm. So here the poet wants to say that we must have to wake up early in the morning, and we, like the beautiful creatures, enjoy their beautiful day. So we should also wake up early in the morning and we have to enjoy the beautiful day. Okay, now see some new words. See, lovely, very beautiful. The meaning of lovely is very beautiful. Buzzing. Buzzing means making a low or continuous humming sound. Sleepy head. Sleepy head means a person, especially a child, who is tired and look as if he wants to sleep. And tiniest is small with regard to size. So my dear students, so you have to underline some words: lovely, buzzing, sleepy head, dentist, chicken. Okay, so you have to underline these words for the dictation test, and you have to prepare some more words from this poem for your dictation test. So keep practicing, keep learning. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.